Today we're taking a look at the Aventon Sinch, a folding e-bike with a step-through frame, fat tire wheels that give it a unique, super compact style and look that you can fit in your car trunk, RV, or a closet at home. The Sinch is part of Aventon's new lineup of electric bikes. We've reviewed other models from Aventon like the Pace and Aventure, and have found their e-bikes to have some of the best quality and design from electric bikes we've tested here in the US. The new Sinch starts at $1,800, but we'll put links in the description of this video to any sales and coupon codes to save you money off your order. The Aventon Sinch is available in two colors, and we got ours in the green color, which we think looks really good, but it's also available in red, which looks just as good. The bike ships in a large box, and inside the bike is fully assembled. This is already a huge bonus, since most other e-bikes require some assembly coming out of the box. All you need to do with the Sinch is unfold it and position the handlebars and display to your preferred angle using the included hex key. You can also adjust the handlebar up and down to your correct height. Since the design of the Sinch is a step-through frame, it's super easy to get on and off, and the seat post can be lowered so it'll fit both tall or short riders. The tires are 4-inch fat street tires with tan sidewalls that give it a nice accent and style. The Sinch also has front fork suspension that can adjust or lock out, while the rear features no suspension. But with the combination of the fat tires and front suspension, it's definitely capable and even allows you to do some light off-roading. Testing the ride feel of the Sinch, it feels great overall. The only thing we noticed is the front handlebar is a little bit more forward than other bikes from Aventon. So it's not going to be as laid back as the Aventon Pace that has swept back handlebars that come closer to your body. Looking at the specs, the motor is a 500-watt hub motor in the rear wheel, which will give you a max speed of up to 20 miles per hour using either throttle or pedal assist. You can limit the power with 5 different pedal assist modes, switching using the buttons on the left-hand side control, and you even have a thumb throttle, so you can accelerate without having to pedal at all. The Sinch also has a 7-speed derailleur, so you can also change the manual gears of the bike using the shifter on the right-hand side of the handlebar. Looking at the battery, it's a 48-volt pack that's tucked into the frame, and you can easily and quickly remove it using the key lock. The battery can be charged either on or off the bike, and can fully charge in 4 to 5 hours. For range, Aventon advertises a range between 25 to 50 miles. The range will vary on rider weight and also how you ride the bike. On Pedal Assist Mode 5 going 20 miles per hour, you'll get about 25 miles. Aventon also has a real-world testing range guide on their website that estimates how much you can expect depending on speed and how much throttle you use. For the controls, they're very intuitive, and the color display that Aventon has on their bikes is one of the best that we've seen. It's bright and easy to read, showing you battery with percentage, top speed, the pedal assist mode you're in, along with trip distance and odometer readings. When toggling through the stats, you can even see how much CO2 you've reduced and how many trees you're saving by riding electric. You even have the ability to connect the bike using your phone. The Aventon app is for iOS and Android and allows you to see more details on the bike status like battery life, change different settings, track your rides, and it even has a social media section to connect with the Aventon community and share photos. Once you're done with your ride, folding the Sinch is very easy. The handlebar stem has a latch to fold down, while the frame has a large clamp you pull in order to fold the bike in half, and the pedals even fold to take up even less space. Though carrying it can be a little bit awkward, and it's also heavy, coming in at 68 pounds. But that weight does include the battery, so you can always remove it and carry it separately. For the price, the new Sinch starts at $1,800, and that might seem expensive for an e-bike, but it's also a folding frame that packs many great features. Now, there are a few things that the Sinch doesn't include that we wish it had, like front and rear lights and fenders. And while those accessories aren't included, you can buy them separately and add them to the bike. Aventon also sells rear racks for lugging your gear or attaching a crate. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to check out our other Aventon e-bike reviews.